Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Dunk here from Dunk's Money. I'm Dunk and I love money. Today I'm going to do a quick short initial review of a new share trading app that I found called Freetrade. It claims to allow you to do free trading of shares and stocks with no commissions. So we'll have a look and we'll dive into the app in just a few seconds. It's a relatively new app, it's only a few years old. And I've been reading a lot about it online, so it seems like quite a good thing to try out. So what I'll do, I'll show you the footage of me inside the app and see what you think. Enjoy. So this is inside the Freetrade app. I just downloaded it off the Play Store. Downloaded really quickly. So obviously you saw just there, the opening page asks you if you want the free account or the account that you pay for. So obviously I've gone for the free account, so I'm just going to have a look at it first and see what I like. So this page here, this is your portfolio page. Now, I'm assuming that once I've started investing, that all my kind of holdings will show on this page here, but I'm not going to anything as yet because I'm just showing you the inside of the app. I've just downloaded it. So top up, let's have a look. Just as what I would have thought. Top up is obviously where you would transfer money over to use within the app. So you would just hook it up to your bank account, or your bank account details there, so your sort code and account number. And I'm assuming that once you're through that, it's probably a case of then how much money you want to credit into your Freetrade account, which is typical of most of these kind of apps. Let's have a look at insights. What's this? Once you've made your first investment, you'll see tools that will help you. Oh, that's quite smart. Nice. Discover. Yeah, look, recently viewed Domino's. I do love Domino's pizza. I think I could invest in Domino's and then just based off my ordering alone, the share price will probably surge. Sell, buy, so it's currently at, oh cool. Come onto the graph, look, nice. Oh, that's smart. So it was £2.72. Oh, look at that. £3.34 on the 20th of April. Decent, I like this. I like it when there's graphs and it shows you the charts are smart. So you can sell and buy. Nice. First group, they're buses and trains. Facebook there as well. That's quite cool. Alright, cool. So there's all these kind of like funds you can buy into as well. Cool. Popular ETFs. ETFs are exchange traded funds. If you don't know what that is, I'll maybe make a video on that, explaining what an ETF is. Popular stocks, so they're all your popular ones. Cool, quite smart. Oh, and you can also go by sectors, so you can obviously punch in whichever sector you want. So let's have a look. Health, that'll be one that, yeah, look at the health ones, surging, eh? Interesting. Tech titans, yeah, there's Apple, Facebook, Alphabet, they're the parent company of Google. What else is there? That's really cool. Oh, move that. Cool. Oh, and you can search as well. What happens if I put in Tesco? Ah, cool. So you can invest in Tesco. What a smart wee app. It's nice. Activity. This will be blank, yeah. Account. Alright, so that would tell you obviously how much money you've put in. Unsettled. Reserved. Total. Top up, withdraw. Withdraw is the important one. You want to make sure you can withdraw your money. But no, it's a really cool app. It's got a really nice user face, which I really like. Very clear. Some of these apps you use are not quite as easy to use. But no, it's really quite smart. I do like this. It's cool. I do like the fact that you can when you go on to, let's go into that for example, forward imprint. You can go through the graph, look at that. Oh, it's dropped there, look. 3rd of April. And then by 7 days later it's gone up. 22.50 from 18.30. I wonder what's caused that too. Oh, it even tells you about the companies as well. Oh, that's smart. Costs and charges. So I think the idea I'm getting here then is that the Freetrade app don't charge a commission, but you'll still have to pay, obviously, the company. Interesting. Oh, well, guys. So that's inside the app. So now I'll hand you back over to outside of the app. Welcome back. So that was the inside of the Freetrade app. As you can see, it's very user friendly and it's got a really nice interface, which I like about it. It's very easy to use. You can search. Yeah, it looks pretty smart, pretty slick. The way I think that Freetrade will make their money is probably by upselling to get you to go to the sort of premium membership. And also, they do state online that because they are an online based broker, they're able to keep their fees free, their expenses. But bear in mind though, if you go for the free account, they won't make your trades until probably about 4 PM that day, whereas the premium account that you pay for, I think they do the trades there and then at the time, in real time. That can be a bit of a disadvantage with the free account, is that they will wait until 4 PM to execute your orders. Obviously you want to buy the share at the real time price because things can fluctuate. So just bear that in mind when using the app. It might be worth you paying for the premium. I don't know. It's up to you. Have a think about it. But no, hope you enjoy that app if you decide to download it. And let me know below what you think of the app, and if there's any other money apps that you have found that you really like. I'm always keen to add to my sort of knowledge. So all the best, and keep looking after your money.